Hi, we are going to look at SEHYOG's paper for money. Question number 33. A box contains coins to the value of 5 pounds and 10 pence. So, the number of 10 pence coins is twice the number of 5 pence coins. Again, how many 5 pence coins are there? That is exactly twice the number of 1 pence coins. So, there are no 2 pence. So, we will assume first that there is only one 1 pence coin. So, number of 5 pence coins is 2 times the number of 1 pence coins. So, that is 2 5 pence coins. Again, the number of 10 pence coins is again 2 times the number of 5 pence coins. So, since there are 2 5 pence coins, there will be 2 times 2, that is 4 coins of 10 pence value. So, the total value made by these coins one coin of 1 pence makes 1 pence, 2 coins of 5 pence makes 10 pence, and 4 coins of 10 pence makes 40 pence. So, which means that a total of 51 pence is being made. So, which means if there is 1 pence, 2 5 pence, like that, 51 pence is made. But the total value we need is 510 pence or 5 pounds and 10 pence. So, which means that how many times is 51 pence multiplied so that we can get 510 pence. So, since our total, that is 51 pence multiplied by 10 gives us the total value that the box contains. So, the number of coins of each type will also be exactly 10 times. So, we took one quantity of 1 pence. So, 10 times is 10 1 pence coins. Again, similarly, we had 2 5 pence coins, but in actual case it is 10 times of that. So, 2 times 10, that is 20. So, there are 20 5 pence coins. And finally, we considered 4 10 pence coins were there in our case, but in actually it will be 10 times of that. So, 4 times 10, 40 10 pence coins are there. Now, in question number 32, we are looking at a currency exchange table. Now, we have 75 pounds and we want to buy Australian dollar from the dealer. So, which means that the Australian dollar is selling at the rate 1.4036. So, that is the number of Australian dollars we will get from 1 pound. So, 75 pounds will give us 75 times 1.4036 Australian dollars, which on calculation gives us 105.27 105.27, and approximately it will become equal to 105. So, the answer is 105. In the next part, we have 500 yuan. This we want to convert to pounds. So we are selling yuan and the currency dealer is buying it for us. So the rate for their buying yuan is 12.096. So which means out of 500 yuans, if we divide into 12.096 for each pound, so by doing this division, we get that it is approximately equal to 42.2 decimal places. So we can write it as 42 or 43. Now in question number 31, Mr. and Mrs. Jones took their children with them. So 4 people are there. The total cost is 30 pounds. The children are traveling at half the price. So let us take it as half tickets. And the price of one ticket, so for one adult. So 2 adults are buying 2 tickets and 2 children are buying half each. So that makes 1 more ticket. So together they are buying 2 plus 1, 3 tickets and they are paying 30 pounds, which means that the cost of one ticket is 30 divided by 3, which gives us 10 pounds, which is our answer. In question number 28, the sum of all whole pounds from 1 pounds to 50 pounds is given 1275. So we don't need 1 pound in our calculation, we need from 2 pounds to 51 pounds. So from the total we will subtract 1 pounds, which is the first number in our sum. That gives us 1274 pounds. Now we will add up the last number, that is supposed to be 51 pounds, and we get our answer 1325 pounds. In question number 26, Mr. Ray bought a new car for 10,000 pounds. He paid 40% upfront. So 40% of 10,000 pounds, we will calculate. So we get 4,000 pounds, and now the remaining amount has been paid in installments, 12 installments. So first let us find out the remaining amount. So from 10,000 pounds, 4,000 pounds have been given already. So 6,000 pounds has to be paid, and it is being divided into 12 installments. So each installment is equals to 500 pounds. So what is the value of each installment? It is equal to 500 pounds. Now on 24, 5/6 of a sum of money amounts to 10.40 pounds. So the fraction 5/6 itself is given. So to find the total, we have to divide the amount by the fraction that it stands for. So divided by 5/6, which is equal to 10.40 times the reciprocal, that is 6/5. So 10.40 divided by 5, we will calculate. That gives us 2.08, and then times it with 6, and we get our answer, which is equal to 12.48 pounds. Question number 21. Tom received 675 pounds and this is for 4 weeks. So, for the average weekly wage, we just have to divide 675 pounds by 4 because it is for 4 weeks. So, after dividing, the answer is 169 pounds. In question number 20, 14 toys are bought for 1.25 pounds each and sold for 1.65 pounds each. So, we will find the total profit. Before that, we will find out the profit on each piece of toy. So, that is 1.65 pounds selling price minus 1.25 pounds cost price, which gives us 40 pence profit on each toy. So, we are considering 14 toys. So, the total profit is 14 times 0.40 pounds, that is equal to 5.6 pounds. In question number 18, 6 pence is the cost of 10 sweets. So, how many sweets can we buy for 1.14 pounds? So, for 1 pence, we get 10 over 6 sweets. If we reduce this, we get 5 upon 3 sweets that come for 1 pence. So, that can be reduced to 5 upon 3 sweets that we get for 1 pence. Now, we have a total amount of 1.14 pounds, which means 114 pence are there with us and each pence can buy 5 upon 3 sweets. So, 114 pence can buy 5 upon 3 times the number of sweets. So, which means that is 5 upon 3 is times with the number of sweets that we can get for each pence. So, 114 divided by 3 and then we times it with 5, 38 times 5 and we will get 190 sweets. In question number 17, the cost of 2.25 kg needs to be found out and 10 pounds is the cost of 1/4 kg. So, 1/4 kg costs 10 pounds and if we take 4 times of 1/4 kg, we will get 1 kg and we will get it at 4 times the cost also. So, which means we will get 1 kg at the cost of 10 times 4, 40 pounds. So, the cost of 1 kg is 40 pounds. As a result, the cost of 2.25 kg will be 2.25 times 40 pounds. So, after multiplication, we can also calculate as 4 times 10 times 2.25, that is 4 times 22.5 and then we multiply and get our answer. So, the final cost of 2.25 kg is 90 pounds. In number 16, 3.64 pounds was received as change when 10 pounds was given for buying 6 candles. So, the cost of 6 candles is 10 pounds minus 3.64 pounds, which is gotten back as change. So, cost of 6 candles is 10 pounds minus 3.64 pounds, which is equal to 6.40 pounds. So, which means the cost of one candle will be the average cost, and that is 6.40 divided by the number of candles, that is 6. We get the average cost, and it is 1.06 to 2 decimal places we will consider for currency. Question number 12. Sam was allowed an average of 50 pence per day for 4 days, and for the first 3 days his spendings has been given. We have to find his spending for the 4th day. So, which means we will first find out the total spending of 4 days by multiplying 50 pence of each day with the number of days. So, 50 pence times 4 gives us 200 pence, and we will keep it as pence so that we can calculate further. So, from the spending of 4 days, now we will subtract the spending of the 3 days. So, 70, 40 and 60 will be subtracted from 200. So, which gives us 200 minus 170, which is equal to 30. That is 30 pence is spending of last day.